Welcome to Hart's Hotel. Hart's Hotel is the name I give to my breeding room. When the birds lay their eggs, I take the eggs away and give them a false egg, and then I keep their eggs in this here, which is actually canola seed, and keep the eggs there until they've laid all their eggs. The last egg is a dark blue egg, so I know it's the last egg. This is my latest introduction. There's a fly box where I actually start to breed flies, and the flies then breed maggots, and I feed the maggots to the young birds.